Well, good morning, everyone. We are at Los Angeles International Airport, and we are on our way. Where are we going, Mikhail?
We're going to Hawaii.
We're going to Hawaii. And we are so tired because we had to get up at 4 in the morning, but this is going to be fun. Are you ready to fly to Hawaii?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready to fly to Hawaii? I'm ready to. Are you ready to fly to Hawaii? I hope so.
I come to eat chicken nuggets.
He did. Are you ready for this adventure? I know I am. Let's do this.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you see all this? This is how we fly the plane. Isn't that cool?
You want to sit in the seat?
You want to sit in the seat?
No?
No?
You wanna be
Okay.
up there?
Okay.
Look.
Wow. That's cool. It's a big plane. They even got seats over here.
Seats everywhere, man.
We finally got to our destination. We are in Hawaii at Aulani Resort and Spa.
I'm so excited to go Hawaii.
Do you want to give everybody a room tour?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a 1-bedroom deluxe suite. It is poolside garden view on the 2nd level. Shall we show them?
Yeah.
All right, let's show them. Come on in. All right, let's show them. All right, so come on in. Let's show everybody the kitchen first. There's your full-size kitchen here.
Let's see in the bathroom.
Yes, so you got.
But we have to sit in the bed.
we'll get there. All right, so you got your sink, your stove, microwave. He is so excited. I love it. He was here 2 years ago, but I don't think he remembers it. We got all of our utensils and plates. And you got a nice big refrigerator. It is a whirlpool. There's no food in there yet.
Yeah, we gotta go buy food.
And here, I'm assuming this is the washer dryer. Yep. Washer dryer. Okay. So far, everything's the same as 2 years ago, but I think they did do a refurb. Big table.
That's where we eat.
Yes. And some like nice. I don't remember them doing the towels like this. This is very nice. It's always wonderful to come in and see your name on the TV. If you have adjoining rooms, this is where they would join.
But I really have to read a book.
You want to read a book? All right. This is your couch that will turn into a queen. That's a queen. And over here, guess what? You want to see a magic trick? Look, look, look. Whoa. Whoa.
It's a bed.
Okay. There we go. And there. That's how it goes. All right. And then you have another closet here.
I got a bed over here.
Yeah. You're claiming that bed, huh? All right. Here's your primary bedroom. And this is such a cute little touch. Awesome. And your other TV in here. I like the fan. Yeah, this is so cute. Have another desk over here. And we got Mickey Mouse. And, oh, no USB ports yet. No USB ports yet. Go over here. So if you come here, make sure you bring a charging tower. So you got a little alarm clock here.
Check out my bathroom.
Okay, now we're gonna check out your bathroom. All right, big bathroom. You got your jacuzzi tub. Are you gonna take a bath in here?
Yep.
You are?
I'm gonna sit there.
You are? Okay, that'll be nice. And then your separate room here. Look at that big shower. That's a big shower. I love the rain shower.
Wait, what's this?
That is a seat.
What's
I am very happy that they're keeping the H2O brand. Love that. And let's see. Last time I was here, we had a lot of lime. Not too bad on the build-up this time. Not too bad. Could be better, but not too bad.
That's a seat. What is that seat for?
Well, if you want to sit down in the shower. Yeah.
Stop.
Some more H2O products here.
Like this.
Yeah. All right. Should we show everybody the view?
Yeah.
Let's show them the view. All right.
Like what?
I hear little birdies coming out of the TV.
What's my mommy?
Always like this. I love the artwork that they add in the room. Now, I gotta do the white glove test, even though I'm not wearing a white glove. Let's see what's going on here. Oh no. We failed the white glove test. Well, it is what it is. But, oh, now this is very interesting. Oh, awesome that they do this. I actually own this book at home. That's very cool that they actually put these in every room. That's very nice. And I'm sure you'll be able to buy it in the gift shop. Now this is new, the Disney 100. I'll have to look through this book. This is really cool. I haven't seen this book yet.
Yeah.
But I like it. I like it a lot. I wonder how many of these actually end up disappearing from the room.
This is a lot.
Yeah, these are both great books. Let's show everybody the view, shall we? All right, so like I said, we are on the second floor. Well, how to open it, that's always a challenge. So let's see if we can do it. All right, we got it open. That is a heavy door. All right.
I want to go there.
And this is your poolside garden view. And it is just that. You got your pool and your garden. So your poolside garden view is going to be everything from level 1 through level 5. That's going to be your poolside garden view on this side. Everything above level 5 is going to be your ocean views, because you're going to see the ocean out there the higher you go. But this is very, very nice. Now, this is just one of our balconies. We go inside, there is another one that is connected to the master. over here. And from the master, we have another patio area. So pretty large. You got this one and you have that one over there. What do you think? Do you like it? It's pretty nice, huh? It is so beautiful. All right, well, that's going to do it for the tour of the 1-bedroom suite with the poolside garden view. Now, we only have this specific room for 3 nights. Our entire stay here at Aulani is actually 2 weeks, but I couldn't get the same type room for the entire 2 weeks. So this view, this room is going to be for 3 nights. The additional 11 nights is going to be much higher on the other side of the building, and that's going to be an island garden view, and that's going to give you great views of the hillsides and a perfect view of the luau show here at Aulani, which I had filmed prior a couple years ago when we were here, but you know I'm going to do it again for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this content. Stick with us through the entire 2 weeks. We have so much planned in store, so many activities, so many things to see. This island is gorgeous and there's so much to do, and everything we do is going to be a separate video. So please, if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. And of course, the most important thing, share this video with your friends, family, loved ones, strangers. It really helps out the channel, and it keeps my motivation going to keep making you this content. Aloha, mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.